when you're down and out with a cold, it's time to call in the alcohol. Hey everybody, I am Eric the Drink Idiot, and yes, I'm freaking sick. I had other drinks planned for this week. However, my immune system and my illness had other plans. However, I want to turn this negative into a positive, and we're going to talk about a drink that might just help you get through that cold a little bit easier. Now look, I'm no doctor, and I have no proof that there's any medicinal value to a drink like this, but it sure makes me feel better when I feel like crap, so that is what I'm doing here. Now most of the time you'll see whiskey used in something like a hot toddy. This drink is not a hot toddy traditionally, it's a chai tea hot toddy. Now if you're interested in just a normal whiskey or scotch hot toddy, I do have in the description below some videos that I made in the past making those specific drinks. Those also could be helpful if you feel like crap. This time I'm using rum. An aged rum is good. This is plantation rum. And, you know, this particular recipe, if you don't want to use rum and you want to use whiskey or, you know, whatever poison you're looking for, then feel free. So in order to make this drink, this chai tea drink, it's really simple. What I did was I started off with some chai tea and, you know, just tea bags. You're going to need 2 of those tea bags, and you're going to put them in some hot water, 1 cup of hot water, and allow that to steep for about 5 minutes. Get you a real nice chai tea blend. Next thing you want to do is get a cup and add in your milk. I used 4 ounces. If you want to up that to like 6, that's totally cool as well. Also some honey. I used 1 ounce, but I really think you could get away with using like 2 ounces of honey in this, just because of you're making a batch of 2. 2 would work just fine as well. It's a good idea at this point to kind of heat this mixture up, or if your tea is done steeping, you can heat that mixture up with the tea as well. You know, and once you get it to a nice warm temperature, add in your rum. Now I'm using plantation rum. It's a 5-year dark rum. Plantation, great value for the rum here. But like I said earlier, you can get away with a whiskey in there if you want as well, if you're more of a bourbon person. So when you're done with that, you just want to stir it up real well, you know, just to make sure everything's incorporated nicely. And I have these clear coffee glasses that I like to use in my drink recipe so you can see what's going in the glass. Other than that, I like to use a cinnamon stick to garnish just for a little extra touch. But that's it. That's how you make the chai tea hot toddy. Overall, not a bad drink. Very tasty. It's got that nice spice to it with a kick of rum. I didn't put a whole lot of honey in mine, so it's not super sweet. But it did turn out very well, in my opinion. And is it going to help with the cold? It might help you forget about the cold. It might help you sleep. You know, although there's a lot of great health benefits to honey, and, you know, there's a lot of great benefits to tea, drinking warm drinks when you're congested, and even alcohol has some health benefits if you do it in moderation. That's my story. Sticking to it. So everybody, hopefully next time I see you all, I'll have my full voice back, I'll be great and ready to roll, and hopefully it's partially because of this. So until next time guys, remember that if this idiot can do it, so can you.